So another way to represent these imaginary numbers is as a vector. So for example, a vector with a length of 1 and an angle of 0 would be 1 angle 0 degrees. So that would represent the number 1. Or because this makes a 90-degree angle with this axis, another way to represent J is 1 angle 90 degrees. Or because this makes an angle of negative 90 degrees, another way to represent that would be 1 angle negative 90 degrees. Or way over here, that's an angle of 180 degrees. So another way of representing J squared or negative 1 would be 1 angle 180 degrees. And so we've talked about that E represents the number 2.718, or the base for the natural log. It's also called the Euler number. And so we have, by definition, E to the J theta would be cosine of theta plus J sine of theta. So now if we represent that as a vector, once again, this is the real axis and this is the imaginary axis. I can now show the vector here with an angle of theta, where the real part represents the cosine of theta and the imaginary part represents the sine of theta.